Here we are in Chapter 5 review exercises, numbers 17 through 20. It says solve for the specified variable, which means get them by themselves. So in this case, we're doing it for S. So we've got to get this S all by itself. So do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any fractions? Yep. So let's times both sides by 2t. Times by 2t. Boom, gone. So we now have 2s minus at squared equals v2t, 2vt. There we go. Now, do we have many s's? No. So we're down here to step number 2. Add or subtract whatever it is we need to get rid of to get these guys by themselves, at squared. So we have 2 times s equals 2vt plus at squared. And then divide by 2. Divide by 2. We get s equals 2vt plus at squared all over 2. Excellent. Okay, next one. We're just using our skills to get p by itself. Notice the p is in the bottom right here. Do we have any fraction? Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any fractions? Yep, let's multiply through by that least common denominator. That's a pt right there. So we get ptr equals I. Okay, fractions are gone. Do we have many p's? No, we don't. So add or subtract. There's nothing to add or subtract on this side. Divide. Divide off the tr. Divide off the tr. And we got it. P equals I over tr. We're good to go there. Number 19. We've got to get R1 by itself. It's right there. Do we even have any parentheses? No. Do we have any fractions? We do. We could times by this whole R2 plus R1. That's the only denominator we have, R2 plus R1, like that. Over here, it cancels it completely, and we get, let me see, that'll distribute in. So we get dr2 plus dr1 equals LR. Okay, we're trying to get R1 by itself. Do we got rid of the fractions. Do we have many R1s? Nope. Add or subtract. So subtract the dr2 from both sides. Look at that. We're down to dr1 equals this ugly mess over here, but we don't even care what that is. Now we just have to divide by the not the R1. We're trying to keep the R1 by itself. Divide by the D, divide by the D. We get R1 equals LR minus dr2 all over little d. Great. All right, last one, number 20. We're trying to get this S right here by itself. Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we have any fractions? Yes. Let's times by 11. Times by 11. Oh, look at that. The 11s are gone. 9s minus 5g equals 11c. Add, subtract, so add 5g to both sides. And then 9s equals 11c plus 5g. And then divide by 9. Divide by 9, and the s stands alone. 11c plus 5g all over 9. Great!